Assalamualaikum everyone, what's going on? This is your boy Azam with Investofy, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a analysis on how you can use the Webull stock trading application on your phone, how you can buy stocks on it, how you can sell stocks on it. And before we get started, please subscribe, like to the channel if you like this video and our previous videos. Also, don't forget to get your link for Webull, through which you can get 2 extra stocks from Webull for the value of up to $1,600. And one more thing with this video is that you will be going through how to use the Webull mobile application, but you'll also get a free stock alert from us. So let's get right into it. Okay, here I have my phone on for you guys. As you can see, I'm already logged into the Webull application. Once you download it on your phone, if you go towards the top where it says on the left there's an icon called Quick Trade, I'm going to click that one, the blue one. So once you click on it, it gives you a list of stocks that you can start looking into. I'm going to look into this Yext. Yext is a tech company, and this is the free alert for today as well that we're going to use in this video. All right. Now, the current price is about $18.44, and here's how Webull works. It gives you limit, it gives you market, it gives you stop orders, and it gives you OTOs. So we're just mainly focused with limit orders or market orders. For instance, you think that Yext should be, you'll buy it only when the price is $18.40. So you come out here and you change the limit price. And that tells you that only when the price hits the limit, $18.40, only then will it buy it for you. The second thing is you just look at the quantity, and then comes the time in force. And usually you want to keep this as good till cancel. That means that if it's day, then it has to be bought in today by the end of the day, else you have up to 24 hours in a day order, I believe, or no, it's an order to sell that automatically expires if not executed on the day the order is placed. So day means that it has to be bought today. If the price doesn't drop there, then the order is canceled and you have to redo all of this. So I always recommend good till canceled, whether you're buying or selling or putting a stop loss. So good till canceled, limit price is $18.40. Now this is where it's really cool and much more simpler than other applications. You already have a take profit and stop loss list. So you tap onto that, and I think that this stock is going to do pretty well in the future. So I will sell it at $28. Okay, that's what my limit price is for take profit order, and my stop loss will be at 14.75. Okay, so I'm estimating that I'm going to make $9.60 for my one share, and my risk is $3.65 if this stock goes against me. Once again, at the time in force day, I'll just change that to good till canceled. And you can go ahead and put in a buy order. Once the price hits $18.40, it will automatically fill in. It's that simple. And when it comes to market order, that just means you're buying it at the current price, right? And I usually keep time in force as day because why not, right? You want to buy it right now, so go ahead. Again, in my case, I'll just move the profit price to, I anticipate this stock to be $28, right? So I'll do that. Whoops. I need to put in my quantity, which is 1 above here. And we're buying this stock at $28. Again, estimated profit is 9.61. Stop price will be 14.75. And again, for these orders, you want to put in good till canceled. So then they stick around. Now think about it, right? Even from our stock alerts point of view, once we send a stock alert for a specific price, then you just have to put in that. You put in the we tell you the limit price to take the profit on. We tell you the stop loss price. So you put in your price to buy a stock at, you put in your profit price, you put in your stop loss, and that's it. You're done. It's all automated for you. Always remember to use good till canceled, right? And we're going to go ahead and just click buy, and it gives us the information of what the stock's going to look like, and we just place the order. And voila, it's been filled. So we've been able to fill the primary order, but we still have our take profit orders that are available. We can cancel them at the bottom, or we can always just go edit them if we want to change the prices. And it's really that simple to use this app, especially with our trade alerts. It becomes even much more simplified for you. You look at the alert, you just put it in, whatever amount you want to buy the stock for. You already put in your stop loss, you put in your profit price, and you've just automated the system for you to invest. And that's the beauty of using this application. And the other cool thing about this is that you can look at the bottom left where there's a watch list. So you go here, and for instance, let's just look at, I don't know, let's look at Twitter, right? We'll just put in Twitter right here. And as you can see, Twitter's done exceptionally well today. It's up 13%. That's pretty cool. So you can do a few things with this. When you come down here, you can see news, analysis, profiles. But at the bottom where it says trade, you have options like positions, options trading, and alert. And alert's kind of cool. It can give you alerts of when the price moves up by either a certain amount, or like for instance it goes to $90, it's at 68, right? So it tells you if it moves up by 32%, or you can change this by percent. So you get an alert that, hey, the price moved up by 10%, or the price went down by 10%, right? You can put those alerts in here, and then you can put in customized notes if you want something, hey, the price moves up, I need to buy, or something, right? You can also get alerts on the news for this stock. You can get alerts on price movements, or you can even get scheduled price alerts like at specific times. So it's a really good way to stay disciplined with your stocks and what's happening with them and whatnot. And it's really an excellent service, a excellent brokerage that they have here, Webull, and I highly recommend everyone checking it out. So that's really as simple as it is to use this alert system with our stock alerts, to use Webull with. And I hope that this helps you. Once again, guys, don't forget to get your 2 free stocks for the value of up to $1,600 for Webull using our link below. And secondly, if you have any questions about this, let me know. But this is as simple as it is. It's a great application. I'm starting to use it, and I have no problems with them whatsoever as of right now. Very intuitive. Let me know if there's any other questions you have, any other stocks you want me to analyze. So once again, I hope that you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Take care. Goodbye.